morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, we got another trainer for you guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, as you can tell from the box, it's another Jordan 1, but the silver exclusive box. Let's see which one it is. You already know which one it is. The box matched the shoe, as you can see. That is a nice one. There we go. And here we are. Oh no, I put it upside down. There we go. Here we are. So as you can see, these are the Jordan 1 CO.JP. So these were released because of the Japanese Olympics that did not happen, unfortunately, last year 2020 because of the whole virus. So the Japanese Jordan released these because these were an original Japanese shoes that released a long time ago. Therefore they released these with the high top edition. So let's start with the sole. As you can see, it's like a neutral gray, like a soft gray tone. On the bottom you have the white midsole, some kind of nubuck, and then you have the hint of metallic colorway, another little metal swoosh. You have the gel wing logo there, which look nice. Then you have these new rope laces that they have added. It's not the normal regular laces, but some rope laces which actually look okay. You have a nice leather tongue, as you can see, some nice buttery leather. There we are, with the embroidered Nike instead of the tab. You see the CO.JP branding in the insole, very nice. Back with the metallic leather. Yeah, this is a very nice shoe. As I say, it released a long time ago. As you can see here in the tongue, it says the OG version released in 2021 and the new one is 2020, which is nearly 20 years different. So they released it like a 20-year anniversary edition for these ones. Yeah, very nice pair of Jordans. The retail on these were £140 in the UK. The resale is not too bad. I think you can get these now for under 200, which is not bad at all. If you like these ones, guys, I would highly recommend picking these up. Resale is not that much, but the resale will go up as soon as people, see how great these shoes are. As always, guys, if you like the video, I'm going to do some more reviews, some more shoes. And as always, Belly da.